Welcome back everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to disable read receipt of the messages in iMessage. This is great in terms of privacy, where you don't want the other person to know that you have read the message. Since your Apple iCloud is present on all your devices, so you'll need to disable the read receipt on all three devices such as iPhone, iPad, and iMac or MacBook. So let's first start off with iPhone and iPad. They both have similar menu systems, so go ahead and open up your settings on your iPhone or iPad, scroll down to Messages, then on this screen, find Send Read Receipt, and here toggle the switch to the left so iMessage will no longer notify people when you have read their message. Next, on your iMac or your MacBook, open the Message app, then tap on the messages at the top left of the screen. Click on Preferences, click on iMessage tab, then down below untick Send Read Receipts, and then close the preference window. And that is how to disable read receipts for messages in iMessage. If you have made it to the end of this video, then please hit that like button, and most importantly, please consider subscribing to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.